Did you know that what's labeled natural in your food might be hiding something with shocking facts? 70 billion animals killed yearly. Livestock environmental tool. In school, they taught you to count calories, but never told you what's behind a simple burger. Food education is power, and you deserve the truth. Start today. Question, research. Choose consciously. Vegan education. What you eat change the world. Visit my new blog if you want to learn more vegan education. My blog is veganeducationguide@blogspot.com.